7:48 the time as we bring in meteorologist Ted Fayton. Ted, give us a outlook for today. We still have a long way to go. We're in the 40s right now still, Ted.
Yeah, we are in the 40s, and again, we are making a run for the 70s. Hard to believe when we're starting off this cold. As you have Lake Norman under a sunny sky and still those cold temperatures that's locked in with those low to mid 40s from Concord into Charlotte, upper 30s Gastonia into Lincolnton. We have the upper 30s, low 40s Jefferson and Boone in our higher elevations. So with the chilly start, you need the jackets, dressing up in layers because we hit the 60s by lunchtime. 70s roll in by the peak heating hours of the day. And then we'll have those partly cloudy skies heading into this evening. Mid-70s around the Queen City, low 70s I-40 corridor with low 60s Boone and Jefferson. Winds pick up as we head into the peak heating hours of the day. I'm looking at a breezy southwest wind, 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusting upwards of 20 plus miles per hour through the peak heating hours of today, ushering in those cooler temperatures as we can see the shift in the wind from the southwest to the northwest, indicating that secondary cold front that will dip south through this afternoon. That's all courtesy of a low pressure system that's just off to our west, leaking into the Tennessee Valley region, north and east of Arkansas. That as our high pressure loses impact over the Queen City. We'll have the sunshine to start. Clouds will mix in throughout the day with those cool temperatures in place, becoming warm this afternoon. So that low pressure system will approach. Not going to do much to give us rain chances, but it will increase the cloud cover and some light showers for our mountain counties starting to leak into uptown. Heading into this evening, overnight will be chilly with more of those upper 60s moving in for your Wednesday and Thursday. Overnight lows tonight will be cold and chilly, dropping down into the 40s and 30s, mountain counties into uptown. I expect us to rebound into the upper 60s for Wednesday and Thursday. Overnight lows in the 40s and 30s with that 7-day forecast showing those warm temperatures to start the weekend. Storm chances roll back in by Monday of next week.